Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you what I am about to put on my hook. So as you know, I've been working on that wrap sweater. I am just about complete. I have a few more rows and then I have to close in the sleeve area part, and then I'll come back and show it to you guys with with it on. I'm still also working on the top that I started with the Dollar Tree yarn. That's coming along pretty good. I have I'll be working on that for a little while in between whatever daily stuff I have going on, because I do have other things that I have to do or whatever. So I'm trying to crochet and get in between whatever else. Now some days I may have where I'm not doing anything at all and I can just sit and crochet, put time into my pieces and whatnot, but for the most part I've been pretty busy since April. May have been before then, but anyway. So what's new on my hook? What I am about to start. A while back last year, I think around the summertime or whatever, I ordered yarn from Lindy Hobby. I ordered cotton yarn. I also ordered t-shirt yarn, and I'll add the video to this video so you can see what I've actually, the video that I made for that yarn haul. That's what it was, a yarn haul. So I used some of the yarn to make a mesh bag, a grocery bag, or one of those Aldi bags that they crochet. But instead of it being like a small bag, I made it's a really large bag. So I'll put a picture in the video, in this video, up in the video. But I purchased that yarn. I used up all the burgundy yarn that I had, like this yarn. But I still had this off-white cream color on these little skeins. It's the cotton 8-4. So I used up all the burgundy skeins and I still had these left. I think I had bought 10 of these, but I wound up using I think 1 or 2. So I have 7 left. So I may have used up 3 because I bought 10 of these and then I bought 10 of the burgundy color ones like this. Well, anyway, I'm gonna use this yarn to make a bag. So I am about to cake up some yarn, cake up this yarn, so I can start a bag, and that's what's new that I'm starting, or new on my hook. So once I get this yarn caked up, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I have some yarn caked up. So I actually caked up four little balls, little skeins of yarn. I have 3 left. So this should be more than enough to do what I need to do, or make what I need to make. So I am going to do a slip knot. And I'm just gonna start the bag on here, and then I'll come back and let you guys know, let you all know, you know, where I'm at and so forth and so on. So I'm just going to chain until I get my desired length. So I did a chain of 45 for my length, and I am going to start in the second chain from the hook, and I'm just going to do single crochets for my base, just to give me a tight base. And so I'm going to do single crochets all the way to the end of my chain, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like and go from there. So I made it to the end of my row. I am about to do single crochets going around. So I'm making the base of the bag, or the bottom of the bag. So I'm just about to go around, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like, and that's it. Okay, y'all, so this is where I'm at. I'm on my fourth, let's see. I'm on my fourth round, but and this is where I'm at. I'm building the like I said, I'm doing the bottom of my bag, and I'm just going around and making sure I am chaining on one at each corner, just so that it can expand some. But this is what I have thus far. And like I said, this bag is gonna be a bag for myself, to include in my wardrobe. So I don't really have any bags of this color. I may have like a white and black like little clutch purse that I wear sometime, dress it up and make it casual, but sometime I wear it but it's one of those clutch that you can actually like dress up and dress down. I don't have it in front of me, but I may show it in another video. I did get it from Temu, so you know how it is with Temu. But I don't know what's going on this morning, but like I have some hoarseness or something going on. But like I said, this is what I have, and this is what I'm adding to my hook. I'm using a 5mm hook, and like I said, this yarn is from Lindy Hobby, and it's fairly thin, so I did double strand it. But yeah, so this is added on. So I now have Excuse me, let me get some water. Okay, guys, so I still have that hoarseness in my throat, but I did just come from drinking on water. I might have to, you know, keep something in front of me when I'm recording or whatever, but like I was saying, this is added on. This is an added bag that I'm working on for myself. I have some other cotton, so excuse me, I may add some color in it and not just leave it as this neutral off-white cream color. So we'll just see how it goes as I'm working it up, and what I get, you know, off the top of my head what to do, because I basically just made this pattern up. I will write down what I did, because I did chain 45, and then I started the second chain from the hook, and I did single crochet. So I'm gonna write everything down, and I'll just see how it goes, how it works up, and yeah. So I think that is it for this video. Oh, like I was saying, so I now have this on my hook. I'm just about finished with that wrap sweater, because like I said, I want to be done with it. And the made bag of the month, that I have to finish it up. And I also have the top, the top with the Dollar Tree yarn. So that's 4 items that I'm working on. So yeah, I work on, and I alternate with my projects, so to actually get them done. So that is it, guys, for this video. I should have more than enough yarn to complete this bag. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you like what you're seeing in this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, comment, and let's get this channel moving and get you know, things going with it, so to build the channel up. So that's it, and stay safe, stay blessed, and know that you are a queen. Bye.